They went to one of the retail stores and literally taped a computer under one of the desks that no one found for about 2 months, and that was their way in. A lot of backend scripts and a lot of backend functions that people will write is it's just laying around in code, or it's laying around in scripts that provide the access to someone that allow them to use the cloud or use a part of the cloud that maybe the organization uses for some kind of development pipeline. So once the attacker actually broke into the physical location, got access to a computer that allowed them to steal some basic credentials to move around the physical network, they actually found machines that allowed them access into the cloud by taking SSH keys and taking Amazon AWS keys to be able to then programmatically make their way and use the cloud. But we really saw them going for the honey hole data, which in a lot of places is stored in the cloud in S3 buckets or on really back-end servers that only a few people have access to. One of the cool things that we focus on in our investigative process is immediately when we detect something, we're gonna verify whether or not it's bad, right? And once we verify that something's bad, we move immediately to remediation. We're gonna try to figure out what are the best actions for you to take to make sure that this breach stops right now. And that's where we have to be really pointed about the detections that we make and keep up with all of the things that the cloud and other things, all the subservices can do, because we want to make sure that we're keeping up with the capability that an attacker might have if they were to abuse those services.